So one more test. I'm going to connect the Ethernet cable into the socket. Okay, and now I'm going to power this. So the symptoms are always the same. She's going to lit up. Sorry. Okay, she's booting. I don't hear nothing except a click. There's a click. The cable is on. I have it connected to my router. And then about a minute and 15 seconds, she will reboot again. The LEDs will lit up again. There it is. She doesn't make any moves, anything. We'll hear the click again. Some kind of relay or something. There it is. And she stays like this forever. So even with the Ethernet cable, it doesn't work. Okay, thank you.